Cheers to 20 years.
Tonight we are here at the Woodlands' biggest event of the year, the Food and Wine Festival.
You're right, Taylor. I'm so excited to try all the amazing food from all the chefs around the world and the Houston area for sure.
And all the wines from around the world. I tried wine from Sweden out there. Amazing.
I tried some dessert already. I did it
I'm
backwards.
sure.
I had dessert first and then food.
Let's go try the dessert first.
No, we already tried the dessert first.
Well, I haven't tried the dessert yet.
And then I need to get some wine.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, well, let's get together. Ready? Let's get together. Let's go. Okay, so now we're with Roberto, the chef from the Audrey Bar and Restaurant. So tell me, what are you offering here tonight?
Of course, we got some monfish ceviche with pickled hibiscus onions and fermented peppers.
Awesome.
So tell us more about the Audrey.
So the Audrey it offers great food, good environment.
Right, okay, so I want to try this. Let's see.
Absolutely. It's a little spicy.
Okay. You want to hold it for me?
Yeah.
You're going to be the reporter?
It's a little spicy, so tell me what you think. Okay.
Now with the Frank Family Vineyards, please tell me, what do you have here tonight? All this wine.
So tonight
Excited.
we're pouring the Napa Valley Chardonnay, the Pinot Noir, the Zinfandel, and the Cabernet Sauvignon.
Ooh, I would love to try the Pinot Noir.
And what's your most popular flavor tonight?
So definitely the Chardonnay is one of the biggest sellers from Frank Family, a beautiful 100% Chardonnay from Napa Valley. We've had the same winemaker for over 20 vintages, and it's definitely been the hit for tonight.
Amazing. I would love to try some as well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, cheers.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
That's amazing.
I was walking by and they look so pretty. I don't want to eat it, but I'm sure it's really good. Let's give it a try. So now I'm with Chef Mario from Mastro's. I just had a bird's nest dumpling.
Bird's nest dumpling.
Very interesting. Please tell me a little bit more about this dish.
Sure, it's a shrimp and scallop bird's nest dumpling. So it's wrapped in katapi. It's deep fried and then stuffed with a mango pulp or mango yolk with a wasabi caviar and sambal aioli.
We are here with Adam today at Pearl and Vine. Adam, can you tell us what you have going on today?
Oh, absolutely. This is really a good charity. So Pearl and Vine, we're located in Katy. So today for this charity, Chef Ryan Holstead made our braised short rib rancheros.
Okay, ahora me encuentro con el chef Masaru de Pachanique. Por favor, cuéntame qué tienes aquí para ofrecer esta noche.
Hoy día hicimos un manjar de foie gras con lúcuma, con un gel de ají amarillo peruano y gooseberries, o aguaimanto como le dicen en Perú, y un crisp o hojuela de maíz peruano que se llama maíz chulpi.
We are here at Harping Coin with Elizabeth. What kind of setup do we have here? We've got a lemon scone, and what are the other ones?
We have a strawberry bliss crinkle cookie. I have a coconut scone. I have a maple pecan scone, the lemon, of course, and a birthday cake.